Hi, I'm Jill with Humphreys Barbecue, and today we're going to be going over some of our newest accessories for the lift kit and another product that's kind of in the lift kit family. So the first product we're going to talk about today is the Click and Cook accessories line. So what we have here is you can use it as a veggie bowl, as really anything you want it to be. So it's a bowl attachment-like accessory for our Humphreys lift kit. As you can see here, it is put on the full-size lift kit, and it is fully convertible to also be put on the half size, and we'll show you that in a little bit. So to show you how easy this is to put on, take off, move around, it just simply clicks together and attaches in the honeycomb pattern on the bottom of the lift kit. All right, and to show you guys how easy it is to put this together, all you do is clip them together, follow the little lines, and it simply slides together like that. All right, and then this is a second part to our Click and Cook series. This is our new beer can chicken holder. So as you can see, standard size 12-ounce can, just slides right in there. This also locks into place with the Humphreys lift kit. This can go in either a full size or a half size. And to give you an idea of how much you can kind of mix and match these things, we also have another part of the Click and Cook Humphreys series with the veggie cooker, the bowl type attachment here. This is set up for the half size lift kit, so you can also put it, and it takes up half size the full size lift kit. And you can also have the beer can chicken holder on here at the same time. So cooking multiples, as always, very good idea, especially if you're just cooking at home. So there's a lot of versatility you can get out of these attachments. All right, and the third and final piece of the puzzle of the Humphreys Click and Cook series is the Humphreys Bacon Tent. So as you can see, it is a triangle that folds and goes straight into and clicks in like the other attachments we have that are part of the Click and Cook series. So which is perfect for hanging your bacon over, which is going to give you more space available to do more bacon on your lift kit. Because as you can see, there's definitely room for another one of these, or you could keep the bowl attachment on, or you could even throw the Humphreys beer chicken in there. It's perfect. So probably my favorite feature about this Click and Cook line is it's super easy to put everything together right in my kitchen, and then I can just pick up the easy carry handles and bring it right out to my smoker. I don't have to worry about anything falling off. I don't have to worry about forgetting anything. Everything fits right on this tray, and I can just carry it out and put it in the smoker. And so another great feature about the Click and Cook line, obviously, you know, our lift kits are made for being put inside hotel pans or / water pans. And what makes this really easy is it collects all of the grease in the bottom of those hotel / water pans. So it collects your grease, all your cooking juices, everything else down there, so you don't have to worry about grease fires. It makes everything really easy to clean up, and just the accessibility of it all is really what makes sense. All right, and the fourth product that we're going to be going over today is the newest product in the lift kit adjacent family. This is the Humphreys Low Rider. So the Low Rider is basically the opposite of the lift kit. So it is made for products like chicken, turkey, brisket. It's another good one that needs the juice to be able to sit in the juices and those good fats and everything that are at the bottom of your hotel or water pan. So it just slides right into the bottom of a hotel or water pan, and your meat whatever you're cooking is free to sit in and absorb all those juices. Another great use for the Humphreys Low Rider is when I'm cooking pizza on the grill. I can just use this without the water pan. Again, it makes it very, very easy to carry around. You don't have to worry about dropping anything with these great handles. It makes everything really easy. All right, thank you guys for watching and going over our 4 newest products with you guys. What I love about the Click and Cook line and our newest Lift Kit family accessory is that they're very versatile and they're for all kinds of cooks and anyone that uses our smokers or maybe doesn't. So between your backyard barbecuers, your competition barbecuers, anyone that just enjoys smoking or cooking on a grill like we do, or even in a commercial atmosphere, all of these accessories are made out of 304 stainless, so they are perfect to use in commercial kitchen settings.